Matapos ang disappointing first 4 games ng Gilas na 0-4 ang naging resulta, ngayon, kontra sa China, ito na ang final game ng Gilas Pilipinas. Yung unang 4 na laro nila, to be honest, hindi naging maganda. Personally, hindi ako nagandahan sa ball movement and the numbers can back that up. In 4 games, naka 110 total field goals ang Gilas. 62 lang doon yung assisted. So that's 56.3%, which is super baba. Kung ikukumpara natin sa mga ibang Asian teams, wag na tayong lumayo. As of recording this voiceover, yung sa Japan, 73.3%. Sa Jordan, 73%. So ang laki ng difference. Ngayon, kontra China, to be honest, walang reason para manood ng game na to. We know they're not good enough, and even if they win, it was too late. Pero sa totoo lang, since nandito na rin naman tayo, sana makapanalo naman kahit isa lang. To start the game, it was a broken possession. Pero good effort by Ramos to keep the ball alive and finding Roger Pugoy na nagsislide sa corner. Next offensive possession, low post ISO for Junmar. Straight up lang si Xochitl. Walang baseline, walang middle. So that means go right into the body. Force your opponent na banggain ka on one side tapos tsaka ka mag-drop step on the other side. Sa play na to, papunta sa baseline. And then sa kabilang end naman, number 77 had his back turned sa basket. And this is asking for a blindside steal, which is ginawa ni Pugoy. Early 7-point lead for Gilas. Kyle Anderson, empty side ball screen with Xochitl. Na-predict ni Ramos yung pocket pass by playing the lane properly and anticipating the timing. Kasi obvious nga naman kung titignan natin dito Offensively, nagtakbo ng stack ang Gilas to use the roll gravity ni Junmar to free up Clarkson. And nag-flow into an empty side ball screen kaso JC settled for a tough step back 3-pointer. And kagaya sa mga previous games, live ball turnovers talaga isa sa mga pinaka nagdudulot ng pasakit sa Gilas Pilipinas. And again, dito, live ball turnover, tapos walang bumaba to defend the counter attack from China. And sa play naman na to, another stack pick and roll from Gilas. Kiefer veered towards the basket, defense collapsed, and since nagbo-ball watch lang yung big ng China, hindi nakatingin sa tao niya, Kai Sotto went for the offensive rebound. Natapos ang first quarter sa score na 16-all. Simula ng second quarter, this is a nice transition attack from Gilas. Ito yung Scottie Thompson na kilala ko. Pushes the ball and immediately directs the team, not with his dribble but through execution. This is a nice pistol action from Gilas to get Clarkson downhill, which forced the low man na mag-help papunta sa taas and nalibre si Edu sa ilalim. Dito naman Scottie Thompson paint touch, skip pass papunta sa wide open Renz Abando sa corner. Dito naman empty side dribble handoff, reversal into an elbow entry na naging zoom action, which is a pin down into a handoff, though hindi nagmaterialize pero nice effort by Renz Abando na ipaglaban yung possession. And then midway through the second quarter, inispam ng Gilas yung mga poste kay Junmar sa ilalim, since hindi rin naman kasi nagdo-double yung China. And kilala naman natin si Junmar, on an island talagang threat siya offensively. Scottie Thompson drives into the paint, finds Roger Pugoy, inatake yung long closeout, drives middle at ginamit niya yung momentum ng defender niya by stopping in the middle of the court for the shot. And late in the second quarter, napunta na sa penalty ang Gilas at hindi na nila mapigilan mag-foul due to China's continuous attacks to the basket. Natapos ang first half sa score na 39-40 lamang ang China. Third quarter, aggressive ang Gilas from both ends. Offensively, it was Dwight Ramos, Renz Abando, and Jordan Clarkson. This stretch happened kasi they were able to get JC downhill. And yung China naman kasi defensively, hindi rin naman sila nagpapadala ng help defense. Speaking of defense, Renz Abando utilized his athleticism para makagawa ng impact defensively. And then late in the third quarter naman, uminit si Jordan Clarkson. 5 consecutive 3-pointers and the Gilas built a 20-point lead. Even coming off the timeout, mainit pa rin. As in step-up 3-pointers, naglakad papunta sa 3 points, tumira, pasok. These are not good shots pero wala akong pake. This is fun. Natapos ang third quarter sa score na 73-51. To open the fourth quarter, as expected, naka-box and one ang China. Tao kay Clarkson, face guard, and then 4 players are zoning. This is a nice play from Gilas. Tinago si Clarkson sa corner, they put the ball in the middle, and then they find Junmar sa ilalim. And China continued to zone. And alam nyo naman dito sa Pilipinas, default defense dito kahit saang level, 2-3. You're not gonna win against the 2-3 zone aficionados playing a 2-3 zone of your own. So after roughly 9 years, nanalo ulit ang Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA World Cup. This game, in a vacuum, was a nice game. The team executed more half-court sets than normal and kitang-kita mo yung hunger from the players, especially Jordan Clarkson.